Gayatri, where you are having doubt? Break and continue.
Sir, loop in loop.
Yeah, in loops only. Yeah, where you are not getting, can you tell me? Here, if you observe how the loop for loop will start, Gayatri, first I equal to 1, then the condition will check. Now my I 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, my condition is true. Whenever my condition is true, whatever code you have written inside for loop, the for loop will start from this curly braces and end with here. Got it, Gayatri?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let's say in my first condition, I equal to 1, that means 1 less than or equal to 10. Yes, my condition is true. What is the inside code? Again, inside for loop, we are checking if condition. If mean is my 1 1 is equal to the 4. If it is true, then only whichever code we have written inside the if condition, it will go. If it is not true, it will skip. It will skip. And what is the next line? We are printing that I value. Got it, Gayatri? Now my I value is 1. It will print. Now what will happen? Again, my I value will increase. Now my I value is 2. Now again, the condition will check. 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, my condition is true. Then it will go to inside for loop. Inside for loop, again, we are using the if condition. My 2 is equal to the 4. If it is 2, no, this if condition, whatever I'm highlighting, no, this part, it won't execute. It will skip. And what is the next line? We are printing the I value. What is the current I value, Gayatri?
3, 3. 3,
2.
sir.
2. It is not incremented. It will start from 1. 1, it will check node.
Yeah.
Then it will do 2. It will 2, it will print. Now my I value, yes. So after printing, my I value become 3. Now 3 less than or equal to 10. Yes, my condition is true. Now is 3 equal to 4? No. Again, this part will skip. Now what is my I value? 3. 3 will print. Now my I value, what I am doing? My I value become 4. Now 4 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, correct. Now what will happen? Here, what I'm doing, 4 equal to 4. Now here it will, my if condition is true. What I am written inside the if condition, break. That means what will happen, Gayatri? The 4, the value, whenever it will I value equal to 4, it will break. That means entire program will not execute. Next line, it will see, I am telling in the 14th line, so you break the execution. It won't go to the next line. If you go to the next line, then only my I value become increment. Then it will check with 10, 10 either my 4, 5 less than or equal to 10 and all. But I am asking to break the execution. Got it, Gayatri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, Gayatri? మళ్ళీ
Yes,
చెప్పమంటారా?
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, అర్థమైంది.
ఇప్పుడు కంటిన్యూ కూడా సేమ్. Now what I am doing, same thing. Now whenever I 4 equal to 4 అయినప్పుడు కంటిన్యూ అంటున్నా. I am not printing the I value here. గాయత్రి అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఐ వాల్యూని ప్రింట్ చేయట్లే. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి కంటిన్యూ అంటుంటా. కంటిన్యూ అంటే ఆ 4 అనే వాల్యూ స్కిప్ అయిపోతుంది. స్కిప్ అయిపోతే కంటిన్యూ ఏమవుతుంది? మై ఐ వాల్యూ బికమ్ 5. 5 లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10. Again, if condition, it will check. No, anyway, it won't match. 5 is not equal to 4. Now, whatever
It
the
will
I
continue
value,
up to, sir?
it will continue
Up to?
up to when my condition get fail, my for loop condition. Up to 10, Gayatri. Let's say from 1 to 10, I am checking 1 to 10, right? Whenever my I value become 11, my if condition itself, it will break.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
అర్థమైందమ్మా? ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 4 అనేది ప్రింట్ అవ్వదు. 4 అనేప్పుడు ఏమంటుందంటే ఇట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్కిప్. కంటిన్యూ అంటే 4th వాల్యూ నేను ఎక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేయట్లేదు, స్కిప్ అయిపోతుంది. దెన్ మై ఐ వాల్యూ బికమ్ 5. దెన్ ఐ వాల్యూ బికమ్ 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 వరకు వెళ్తుంది. 11 అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? కండిషన్ ఫెయిల్ కదా. 11 is not less than or equal to 10. గట్ ఇట్, గాయత్రి? అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? నీ ప్రోగ్రామే బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది. క్లియరా ఆశ? గాయత్రి మీకు క్లియర్ కదా? పర్లేదు. రాధా గారు మీకు అర్థమైందండి?
Yes, sir. అర్థమైంది.
Okay, cool. Guys, we have one more concept. See, Java is a huge, like a ocean. We can learn anything. But I want to discuss one more concept regarding string. Anybody knows what is string? Gayatri, what is string?
As a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes is called string.
Sorry?
Sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes is called string, sir.
Okay, exactly the
We can
kind of
write,
student kind of answer, Sharada.
no, sir, we
Fine.
can write anything in a matter that we can represent in double quotes. That is called string.
Yeah, correct. Let discuss some of the functions in the string, guys. Let me create package strings example. Anything. What is the data type to store the string values?
String only,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Can Asha, can you tell me how to create the class?
So we have to go to the new,
Okay.
then
Little bit louder, please.
here, then we have to come to the class, sir.
Okay. Then let me use a strings, strings, or string functions. Then we need to select public static void main. Then finish. Okay. Now, how to define the string? Gayatri, Radha, we discussed in the data types. Sharda, you won't tell. Can anybody tell? Sharda and Teja, please don't tell. Gayatri, Radha, Garu, Asha, how to define a
String
string?
S.
Yeah, Radha. How to
Sir, in
define a string?
double
String.
Uh,
S, sir.
Yes.
Chapanima, Gayatri.
Capital S is equal to in double quotes, it's selenium.
Let's say S, I will use anything. Okay, double quotes. Let me use selenium. Okay, then why it is showing error?
Capital S.
Okay, capital S, I will keep. Okay.
String S, sir.
String.
String S.
Huh?
String S.
Okay. Here, what is S, Gayatri? String is the data type. Okay. Here, no need of S only. You can keep anything. Your name also you can keep. This is the variable here. String is the data type and S is the variable and selenium is the string because we mentioned in the double quotes. Clear, Gayatri? Let's say I can use selenium learning. Anything. Group of characters is nothing but a string. Now, if I want to get this value, string value, what I need to do, Asha? I need to print this Selenium learning. Can you tell me the line of code quickly, Asha?
System dot
System
out
dot
dot
out dot
println.
print in, print
Okay, system.out.println. Then what I need to mention here?
In double quotes selenium లానే.
No, Radha, no. Now, where is my what is the use of this? Yes,
Yes, sir.
S.
only yes, Radha.
Okay.
See, my information is stored in this variable. If I print that variable, see, this is what is the variable meaning? It is used to store some data. Okay.
Mm.
Now, if I print
Mm.
yes, I will get whatever the information I asked you yes to store it. See, here
Yeah.
in the inside, no, if we keep anything double quotes, that is for our reference. Some text I will
Mm.
give, that's it. And you have to use the
Yes.
plus symbol during that time, concatenation kind of thing. Okay,
Yeah.
got it? Clear, Radha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. See, that we will get. Now, guys, very important thing in the string, we have some functions. We can call the string functions. Anybody tell me what is the string functions? Teja,
Sir,
do you know? Sorry?
can I, sir?
Yeah, yeah. You tell
Yeah,
few.
string copy, string length, string upper, string lower. These are all string functions.
Okay.
Actually,
Let,
8 type of functions. Yeah.
that one, it's fine. Yeah. Let do it here. Okay, string functions. This function means we have to use open and closed brackets. Let's say, for example, we have a length. This is one function. What is the use of this? It returns the length of string. Guys, what is length means? Anybody?
How many
Gayatri?
number of characters are there? It will be counted.
Okay.
Index
Okay.
numbers. Actually,
Yeah, fine. And guys, so you both can, I mean, sometimes he will be quiet. I mean, we will check with others also. Okay. Guys, what is the length means? Can you guys, anybody tell me what is the length of this selenium only for selenium? If I use that method, what is the output? Gayatri?
So no ideas. No?
Length means in numbers, ఎన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయో అంత
Eight,
కౌంట్ అనేది
eight.
వస్తుంది.
Okay, okay.
అది ఇప్పుడు
Each.
నెంబర్ కదా, ఆ నెంబర్ వచ్చింది కదమ్మా, అది విచ్ డేటా టైప్, వేర్ ఐ నీడ్ టు స్టోర్ ఇంటిజర్.
In
You have to store it in a int s equal to or int b equal to whatever the function used. That function itself, it will show tell that which data type that is. Got it, Gayatri? Returns the length of the string, length function. Then we have concat. What is the use of concat mean? It will join the two strings. You see, integer, if you want to add the two integer values, what we are doing? Asha, rather, which symbol we need to use to add the two numbers?
Plus.
Yes. If we are not using the bracket, if you use the plus, that time what is happening? It is coming next to next,
It
right?
will
That time
combine the.
combine,
Yes.
yeah. In strings, we will not use the plus symbol. We will use the method called concat. Concat means it will join the strings.
Two strings.
Yes. Then we have equals. Equal means it will compare the string. Sharada, how it will compare? Any guess?
By using equal to operators. Sir.
Is it? We will use equal to operator
Double
in.
equals to operator to compare two strings.
Is it? Teja?
it's a boolean, so is equal to true.
No. I'm asking how it will compare.
Mm.
Equal, so I will use how it will compare. Guys, remember always it will go, it will compare each character. Let's say Selenium learning, I have used one string. One more I used Java learning. It will go each and every
Yeah, first
character.
string, first character.
So first we
Yes.
have to
The
store the
first
string.
string,
In
first
variable,
character,
we
second
store the
string, first
strings.
character. Like that,
No,
they
no,
are
no, no.
compared.
Guys, please stop it. Please stop it. No, I'm asking how it will compare. Either it will compare the position or the character. It will compare the character by character. Anyway, we will see it. Okay, fine. We have a equals method and we have one more method called equals ignore case. If what is the equal ignore case will do? As many other things also will be there, but which we required for Selenium purpose. Only those things we will learn. When comparing the string, it will ignore the case sensitivity.
Sir,
This is also
sometimes your voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. Let me use earphones. Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
Gayatri.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it is fine, Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Equal ignore case also we will use for comparing the strings only. Okay, but what it will happen? It will ignore the case sensitivity. What is case sensitivity means? Anybody?
Capitals. First letter.
Yes. Yes, capital letters and small letters. No, it will ignore. Either it will consider entire small letters or entire capital letters. It will ignore that case sensitivity. Okay. And we have, let's say, some more method. We have contains. Guys, this equals and contains both are very powerful. What it will happen? No, it will check string contains another string. We will see the example, guys. Then you people will come to. Then what else we have? We have substring. We have replace.
Replace.
Yeah, replace.
Replace all.
Yeah, there are many, not required all the things.
Index of.
Index of, character of.
Yes, sir. Character address also.
Yeah, replacing characters or string with a new string. Okay, we have a lower case, upper case. There are many. Let's discuss one by one. Now, guys, let's do this. If I take this yes, let me use s dot if you keep, guys, if you take that reference variable and dot if you keep, you will get all the string method. You can see it here, character at, and wherever, see, compared to, there are many. Gayatri, my voice is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, if I use s dot length, what is the data type of this one, Gayatri? Gayatri, please, quickly. Asha, rather, length, what is the length?
Integer.
Integer. It will give the int value. How many, what is the length? Okay. If you want to store it in int, you can store it and print. Otherwise, directly you can use in the system.out.println. That time automatically it will take. Let me keep it in here. In double quotes, I will use some text. Length of my string. Okay. Let me use plus symbol. Plus mean this will concatenate. Let me remove all this stuff. Let's use only the selling. Can you guys tell me what is the output here?
7, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 or 8?
Yes, sir.
8. Teja, it will count from 1.
Sir,
It is
one
not from
only,
0.
no?
Yes, it will count from 1, not from 0.
Okay.
Okay. This is length. Let's say, guys, this point is clear. If you want to store it in integer, you can use it in other variable. Then you can print that variable. But directly I am using system.out.println. Okay. Then what we can use? Let's say I will take one more string. String. I can take yes. I will take S1. Otherwise, we will change it to S1 to S1 and S2. Let me use Java. Okay. Now let use concat. Getting guys, tell me s1 dot concat. What I am doing concat, and what is the data type after concating?
Joining the two strings.
Correct. And
S1 plus S2 is equal to Selenium plus Java.
yes, and our output, see, data type is here, you are adding two strings. So the data type is string. Got it, Gayatri? Now I need to store it in a string, this information. Otherwise, directly I can print also, but let me store it in string. I can use concat value something. My wish. Now, if I want to print this SYSO, I will use directly. Can you guys tell me what is the output here?
Selenium Java.
Selenium Java. Let execute and see. Clear, guys? What is the concatenate? Concat means it will add this one. You can see Selenium Java. Clear? Sharada, Gayatri.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, we have many methods. Let's say, for example, SYSO. Directly I will use trim, guys. Let's say what will happen. Selenium space learning I will use. If we have a trim function, what is the trim means? Anybody? Dot trim. It will
Means cut, sir.
ignore the spaces, not
Ignore a
cut,
cut.
not cut, Teja. It will remove the spaces. Okay, let's see. I mean, in print and I mean beginning and ending, it will remove the spaces. Let's see. Now here, this normally I printed. The first one, S1 here. Clear, guys, that the trim means it will remove the spaces beginning and ending. Let me execute now. If people will come to know. S1 you see, Teja, there is a space starting and
Yes.
ending. You can see my cursor. I am checking here. The spaces are there, but if I use the trim function, it will remove the spaces beginning and ending ending spaces. Okay, clear, guys. The trim means. And also see, we have some other method. Let me take it this. I can take S2. Ashak, getting it? Radha garu, అర్థమవుతున్నాయండి functions.
Yes, sir.
Now let use this character at method. What is the use of this character method? You can see index I need to provide. Int index. Index will start from 0. Correct, no, Teja?
Sir.
Let's say if I use 2, what is the output here?
I.
Hmm? Oh, Teja, I have taken S2 string 2 I
Yes,
have
to
taken. S2
V,
dot
sir. V.
correct. So it will see character index, it will start. 0 means J will come, 1 means A, 2 means V, again 3 means A. Clear, Gayatri? What is the use of character at method? It will give the based on the number, whichever the second position, whichever the character is there, that character I will get it. Clear? If I use 0, Gayatri, can you tell me what is the output here?
J, sir.
Yes. Clear? It will give the whatever the character means single value. Okay. Now what else we have? We have many like this. We have many. Now let's say, for example, contains. Now what I can do is yes. So S1 dot contains guys here it will give true or false. Let's say for example, if I use what happened if I use the Z, what is the output?
False.
Sorry,
Wait, sir. S1. False only.
here I will get false, guys. Why false, Teja?
Z
Now
variable is not there.
not variable, yes, character, not variable. It will go and it will check, let's say Z is there in this one, because I have taken S1, guys, this string. Each and every character it will go and check it, either Z is contained in this entire string. If it is there, it will give true, otherwise false. Clear, Sharada? See, false. Let's say if I use yes, what will be the output?
True, sir.
Yes, yes is contains in this one. That is the contains. Okay. What about equals, guys? Let me take the same thing. Instead of S1, let me take S2 dot equals I will give Java. Guys, see, these strings are case sensitive. Please remember that. Can you guys tell me what is the output here?
True, sir.
False, sir.
Why Asha false?
Because here we have small j.
Exactly. Got it, Gayatri? This is case sensitive. That's what we have equal ignore case. Okay. Let's see. This is false because here everything is case sensitive. J is capital letter in existing string, but we are checking with a small j. Got it? Clear,
Yes, sir.
Teja? Yeah. Let use
Yes, sir.
instead of the same thing, I will use ignore case. Instead of equals, I will use equals. Let write this. Dot equals ignore case. So I'm asking to ignore that case sensitivity kind of thing. The same thing I will use, small j only I will use. Now what will be the output here in the 29th line, rather? Okay. It will be true, guys, because it will ignore the case sensitivity. Okay, clear? Anybody have any questions still here?
Sir, lowercase, uppercase, you can take.
Yeah,
sir.
I will tell. Now let me use system.out.println. Now let me take S2 dot lowercase. Two lowercase is there, Gayatri. You can see two lowercase. No need to provide anything. What is the output I will get here? Everything I will get it in a lowercase. Okay, let execute and see. You can see everything Java, because J is the capital letter, but I have used you convert that S2 information into entire lowercase. Clear, Gayatri? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, the same thing, let use uppercase. S2 dot to uppercase. Now you can see everything should come in the uppercase. See, Java, it came in the uppercase. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any questions here? Okay, we have
Sir, for uppercase, lowercase only, we need to mention 2, sir.
no method
After
name itself
that,
two. No method name itself two lowercase, two uppercase. We
okay,
don't have
okay,
directly lowercase uppercase. The method name itself two lowercase, two
okay,
uppercase.
sir.
Okay, and we have what else? We have replace and substring also we have. Can anybody tell me example for replace? Sharada, let's say here I will take s2 dot replace. See old character with the new character, guys. Now let's say for example in the what I will do, I will replace j, right? The first character j with this is old character. Now my j should replace with, let use k. Let execute and see what will be the output here in this slide. Anybody? Teja?
KABA,
K A V A. Yes, it will replace j with k.
K.
Got it? Clear, guys? Replace means
Yes, sir.
okay. Now let's say similarly what we have substring SYSO. I can use substring s2 dot substring. Sorry. Guys, let's see we have different thing. Now let use beginning and ending. Now what is the string will start from 0, right? Let's say I will take s1. What is the s1 information we have? Let use this selenium. Now starting I want to I want to split this one. Split means substring. Let's say for example 0 1 2 3 4. I want from 4 to 6. What I will get, Teja? My substring, whatever the index starting from 4 and it should end with 6. What will be the output here? Teja, can you tell me?
Sally,
NI,
space, NIUM.
What is that? Yeah, tell me, Gayatri. See, I use this one.
starting with 10, sir.
Sir, NIUM and LE, sir.
Space also should count.
Yeah, for space also it will count. It will one character, it will count
Mm.
space. Let me
Yes.
take to
Then
the
till
yeah.
L.
Wait, I starting index is 4 and I am ending with 6. That means 0. Let's say, guys, let me use here. See 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, like that. Getting it, guys? Now my starting index is 4. What is the fourth character here? It will start from 0. What is the fourth character, Teja?
10.
N.
0
10,
1
sir.
2
N,
3 n. Okay, then till where I need to end? What is the sixth means?
U.
You.
I will get NIU starting from n and ending till sixth. I need to get it. Let execute and see. Got it, guys? Substring means 4 and what happened to this? One second. 0 1 2 3 4. Why only two I am getting.
Okay, you should only count an ending before that one, sir.
Starting, no, Teja. So it should be 1, 3 if we use. Not, it should be not like that. Let's use the 5. Getting confused. See now it started with the 0, from 0 to 5. Is that correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we have only 4
The
characters.
0 to 4, that's 0 to not 5.
Correct. In between values it is coming. It should be like
Yes,
this.
sir.
It is not like that. In between values we will get it. It will be like that. 1 second, guys. I am getting confused. 1, 3.